In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Dear students, welcome to Pakistan International School, Doha, Qatar, for e-learning program. This video lecture is prepared by the Department of Social Sciences for the subject of Social Studies, Class 5, Week 4. And this is lecture number 2. My dear students, topics of today's lecture: revision of important topics of lesson, like 1. Maps and its kinds, an all-time favorite of students. The second important and very interesting topic is why maps are colorful. Why different colors are used to draw a map. Our last topic will be to understand the difference between political and physical maps. Students, there is an interesting activity in the last part of the lecture. Q.1 What is a map? Dear students, brainstorm. Recall. What is a map? In one of our previous lectures, we discussed this in detail. Yes. Do you remember it? Fine, students. A map is the representation of Earth's features drawn on a flat surface. So, a map is drawn on a flat surface, on a page, paper or on chart, etc. Unlike photographs, maps cannot show what the land actually looks like. Maps are just drawn for the purposes of information and knowledge only. They do not represent the real Earth. Students, as maps are not the real, so to represent the features of different areas and for different aspects various symbols and colors are used. Dear students, now we are leading towards an interesting topic. And that is why maps are colorful. Do you have any idea? Just think, why maps are colorful. Fine. Don't worry, my dear. Here is a short video. In this you can find your answer, but if you are attentive. So, are you ready? Okay. Here you are.
You are welcome, Jimmy, but you should know about maps too.
Maps? Wow, great. Tell me, Jenny.
You know, any place on Earth can be located on a map. Any continent, country, state, rivers, highways, oceans, lakes, sea, any place can be shown on a map.
Wow, this looks beautiful. It is so colorful. I thought it would be black and white, boring stuff. Why is this map so colorful, Jenny?
Different places on a map will be shown by a different color. Imagine, Jimmy, if this map is in the same color everywhere. It would be so tough to locate a particular continent.
Oh yes, you're right, Jenny.
The countries and states, oceans, etc. are always in different colors. Can you show me Africa on this map, Jimmy?
That's there in orange color.
You're right, Jimmy. Different colors means different countries, states, etc. The cities are shown with the help of a dot and the capital are shown by a star.
Students, did you find your answer? Very good. Now, we are leading to recap. Types of maps. Again, you have to recall. We have also learned this in one of our previous lectures. What are different kinds of map? Good. Just recall. Fine, my dear students, here again. A short video, so be attentive to revise the topic.
There are many different kinds of maps. You'll often see maps that show areas of land. A geographical map can show things like water, mountains, and roads, but really, a map can be any kind of place. There are video game maps. There are maps of outer space. There are even maps of the human brain.
Fine students, from this we learned that there are three kinds of map. 1. Physical maps. 2. Political maps. 3. Relief maps. Physical maps. It shows hills, mountains, rivers, valleys, landform. For more clarity, watch this video clip but carefully.
Physical maps show where lakes, rivers, and oceans are located. They also show the topography of the area, as on this map.
What do you mean by topography? The mountains?
Not only the mountains. The science of making maps is called cartography. It takes into account that the relief comprises valleys, hills, plains, or any other landform on the Earth's surface.
But what are the valleys, hills, and plains?
The highest points on Earth are the mountains. Hills are elevations of land, but they aren't as high as mountains. Valleys are areas between mountains. They're called land depressions. Plains are large areas of flat land without any mountains or hills.
Dear students, the next very important kind of map is political maps, also known as administrative map. It shows towns, cities, states/provinces, borders between cities, province, borders between countries. Activity time. Now is time for activity. Are you ready? Should we proceed? Okay, fine. Well, students, here on the screen you have two maps. First of all, identify the country. And then differentiate the types of maps. Just focus and observe their features and title these. Very good. Recall the feature of political and physical maps. I hope you labeled these in your mind. Isn't it? Okay, let me label these for you. On the left side, it's the physical map of Qatar. As physical features are shown. Got the point? While on the right-hand side, it's the political map of Qatar. It highlights the division of municipalities of Qatar and their borders. Well, students, here you are with a map of Pakistan. Try to identify its kind. Observe keenly and come up with the right answer. Hurry up, students. I hope majority have a correct answer in their minds. That's great. Okay. Let me share a correct answer with you all, so be attentive. It's the political map of Pakistan. Political map of Pakistan. Students, am I right? What do you say? A big no. Great. It's a physical map of Pakistan. Right. I am happy you all are with me. Well, my dear students, here you are with a map of Pakistan. Try to identify its kind. Observe keenly and come up with the right answer. Hurry up, students. I hope majority have a correct answer in their minds. That's great. Okay. Let me share a correct answer with you all, so be attentive. Yes. It's the political map of Pakistan. Well done, dear students. I am happy. You really applied your mind to complete this activity. I am hopeful you have learned the difference between these two kinds of map. Dear students, if you have any question, write it down and ask from your subject teacher via WhatsApp or follow the given instructions. Dear students, from today onwards, in every lecture, there will be a short message for you all. And their message of the day is: you can learn something new every day, if you listen. Thank you for being attentive. See you all in our next session. And take care. Allah Hafiz.